Want to add music to your GoDaddy website? There are two primary methods: uploading audio files directly or embedding music from streaming services. Uploading is best for personal tracks or background music. GoDaddy supports MP3 and WAV files up to 50 megabytes. To upload, access the Builder dashboard, add an audio element, and drag and drop your file. Set playback options like loop and volume. Embedding involves using iframe codes from platforms like Spotify or YouTube Music. Add an HTML element, paste the iframe code, and customize its size. Embedding doesn't use your GoDaddy storage and offers high-quality streaming, but requires the host platform's API permissions. To optimize music integration on your GoDaddy website, start by compressing audio files to under 5 megabytes for faster loading times. Always use royalty-free or licensed music to avoid copyright issues that could lead to legal problems. Remember that audio content doesn't directly impact search engine optimization, but it can improve user engagement and increase the time visitors spend on your site. Be aware of browser autoplay restrictions. Always give users control over playback to prevent a high bounce rate from unwanted audio. Test your audio on different devices to ensure compatibility across all platforms. By 2025, mobile optimization is critical, so ensure your audio embeds are responsive and work well on smartphones and tablets. Finally, stay mindful of accessibility. Include captions for audio content to meet WCAG guidelines and ensure your site is usable by everyone.